Today, I'll walk you through the simplest and most updated way as of August 2025 to transfer your money from Coins to Cash App. Before we jump in, here's something important to understand. Coins is a crypto portfolio tracker, not an exchange. That means it shows all your crypto assets in one place, but your actual funds sit on connected wallets or exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or MetaMask. So first, figure out where your crypto is actually stored. For instance, if your Coins account is linked with Binance, you'll need to access Binance to move your funds. Since Cash App only supports Bitcoin, you'll have to convert your crypto, like USDT or Ethereum, into BTC before transferring. Here's how to do that. Log into your Binance account and open your spot wallet. Find the crypto you want to convert. For example, USDT, then click Convert. Choose Bitcoin, BTC as the coin you're converting to. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction by selecting Convert. Once you've got Bitcoin in your Binance wallet, it's time to transfer it to Cash App. To find your Cash App app Bitcoin address, open Cash App and tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner. Select Bitcoin from the menu. Scroll down and tap Deposit Bitcoin. Copy your Bitcoin wallet address from there. Now, head back to Binance. Click Withdraw and choose Bitcoin BTC. Paste your Cash App BTC address into the recipient field. Select the Bitcoin network. Confirm the transaction, and you're done. Your Bitcoin will soon show up in your Cash App balance, ready to use. And that's it. A quick and easy method to move your crypto from Coins to Cash App without confusion or delays. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more simple crypto guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.